And this one is called Some People Don't Snore. I sleep nights with a man who impersonates the deceased, a room temperature boyfriend. I brought a mirror into bed to check his breathing, but no mouthful of air coated the glass. I'm saving for a heart monitor. The dead can be revived after 8 hours. Every morning he wakes and relays messages from my departed relatives. The cats won't sleep in the bed. I used to date a snorer, a loose throat, hollow caverns that rattle. Night, a commotion of turnover, turnaround. You can't file a noise complaint inside your own house. The cop said just tell him to roll over. I roused weary with broken glass and wood chips. Now I wake with dust settled. Spiders spin us together overnight. I'm settled in, locked in his rigor mortis embrace. Blankets enfold us like a shroud. The CPR class was practical. I spend all morning kissing him back to life.